Hi guys, Nam here. Today we're going to check out what's in a box of a Mi Smart Band 6 that I have in my hand right here. And also, I'm going to do a short run through with you on how to set up your band with your phone. So let's get right into it. So first, let's look at the box. Quite sleek, really nice. Don't mind that this is the Chinese version, and didn't notice that there was an international version at first, so I just bought the ones that I saw first on Shopee. Let's look at the side of the box. It lists down all the features of the Mi Band. So I actually bought this from Shopee, from a shop called I Believe, for about 160 ringgit. And they have several types of packages that comes with different types of straps. Well, mine, I opt for the sports package, so I chose one blue strap, and they also give some free green straps along with it. And inside this box, apparently there's also the original black color strap. Alright, let's look what's inside the box then. Let's open it up. See what's inside. This comes standard with every package. Let's listen to that. Oh, smaller than I expected, but I think it will look really good on my wrist. Next, what else is there? This is the magnetic charging cable. Next, I'm guessing this is the place where they put the manual. Okay, the manual is all in Chinese, but it's okay. Based on the description that the Shopee seller gave in the shop, it's pretty easy to set up. You just need to pair it up with your phone, then automatically it'll change the language to English. So for now, let's check out the band itself. Now we're back from charging up the Mi Band, so now we need to pair it up with the phone. So what you need to pair it up with your device is the Mi Fit app. You can get it on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. So I'm just going to open up mine because I already downloaded it. And to pair, you just go to plus, and then here you can see up here it says band. Tap on band, and then you press agree. Now the phone will search for the band, and just to make sure that it finds it, just keep the band close to your phone. Now it says to confirm. Alright, we confirm. And now we're paired. Oh, that was surprisingly easy. So now we are in this intro screen. So now we can try out the features. And now let's look at the band itself. So this is actually my first time buying a smart band. What I can see from the first time seeing this band is that I really like the full size screen. It looks beautiful going from edge to edge. Other than that, it feels really light in the hands. And this form factor is really light and compact, and it's pretty easy to store around. I like the fact that the charging cable is magnetic, so it's really easy to charge. It just snaps right into place like that, which is really nice. And out of the box, the pairing process is pretty easy, though it took longer than what I expected, but then that's what's to be expected from a product of this price. Now let's have a short walkthrough of the whole watch. So there's no always on display feature for this band, so you need to tap on the screen every time you want to see the main watch face. So to navigate through your Mi Band, you need to either swipe down and up to access all of the other features of the band, and also you can swipe to the left and right to access your most favorite sections of your band. And you can set your favorite pages right in the Mi Fit app. And now as a default, it has the weather, the music player, Alipay, and that's about it. Now let's go through the other features of the watch. So there's status, which highlights all of your recent activity, and there is Pi. We'll go through this more in the next video. You can check your heart rate, blood oxygen level, SpO2 here. This is where you can see your sleep tracking, your notifications. You can set what notifications you want to receive on the band. Then there's workouts, workout history, stress, breathing, events, alarm. You can set alarm that can vibrate without bothering anyone else, weather, Alipay, music controls, world clock settings, and more. In more, you can see you can set Pomodoro timer. You can use your Mi Band as a shutter remote by using a camera menu, a stopwatch timer, and also another neat feature is finding your device using this menu here. Let's see how well it fits in my hand. Strap feels really nice in the hands, feels comfortable, and it's also water resistant, which is really cool. And I guess that's about it for now. I'm looking forward to seeing how the band performs, and I'm going to test out all of the features it has. Also, to see how it would assist me in my journey of like trying to get my health in check, because that's the main reason I got this for. And in the next video, I'll be doing a more in-depth review and perspective as a first-time smart band user after a few weeks of using this. Do stay tuned for that if you're interested. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.